Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce noodles without butter. This recipe offers a fantastic way to enjoy a rich, creamy pasta dish using simple ingredients you likely have on hand. We'll explore how to achieve that classic velvety texture and savory taste without any butter. Get ready to transform your weeknight meals with this easy-to-follow guide, perfect for anyone seeking a lighter, yet equally delicious, option. Let's get cooking. To start, you'll need just a few key ingredients. Grab about 1 1/2 cups of milk, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. For your noodles, select approximately 250 grams of your preferred pasta. Don't forget your seasonings. Salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a tiny pinch of nutmeg will elevate the flavor. Having everything prepped and ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's craft that luscious sauce. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Once warm, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, cooking for about 1 minute to form a smooth roux. This is our butter-free base. Next, slowly pour in 1 1/2 cups of milk, stirring continuously to ensure a lump-free sauce. Keep cooking and stirring gently until the sauce thickens beautifully, reaching a creamy consistency that coats the back of a spoon. Almost there. While your sauce is simmering, cook your chosen noodles according to the package directions until they are perfectly al dente. Once cooked, drain the pasta thoroughly, but consider reserving about 1/4 cup of the starchy pasta water. It can help adjust sauce consistency if needed. Now, add the hot, drained noodles directly into your creamy white sauce. Toss everything gently to ensure every strand is beautifully coated. Serve your delicious, butter-free white sauce noodles immediately and savor every bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.